Hey, welcome back to the garden. I'm James and this is my Zone 5B garden in New Brunswick. Just watering the tomatoes in the greenhouse. They're doing quite well here. They enjoy the extra heat. We've had wonderful summer weather for the last while, mid 20s, high 20s daily. But the tomatoes, they really appreciate the extra warmth in the greenhouse, which is consistently in the low to mid 30s, so they do quite well here and they don't get rained on. I like to water at the base just so the leaves don't get a lot of rain on it and so there's no disease and rot. But today is just going to be a little video about the changing garden over the seasons and over the last several years. Most of the garden was started, this is the start of the fourth season for some of the garden, but most of the garden was started 3 years ago, even 2 years ago, and some gardens last year. So I'm just gonna do a little video on the changing seasons in the garden and the changing years.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient so